Hola, buenos días. My name is Antonio Villanueva. The Lord Jesus Christ has allowed me to be with you this morning. And He's allowed me to be a father, husband, leader of my business, and serving my community. I'm blessing every day, and I'm grateful, and I have to thank my beautiful wife, Jamie, my 4 daughters, Ariana, Stephanie, Michelle, and Nicole, that they give me the strength to live every day. Also want to thank my fathers, especially my dad, that he teach me how to make the right decision and how to grow a man. They flew from Honduras just to be with us today. Please stand. I want to thank Pat and Wayne Fraser for creating the MWMCA. These are privilege providing leadership as a minority women's community. But Wayne, Pat, really appreciate it. This honor as the best mechanical contractor of the year, I have my name engraved on it, but it's not just for me. It's for every single person on our team that has been working hard every day to make sure Global is successful in business. I love America as I do my family. I traveled from Honduras 18 years ago, searching for opportunities that only America can provide. Freedom of oppression and corruption. Freedom to compete in any business and speak my views. Often, I remind and quote what Dr. Martin Luther King, and as growing in my life, if you cannot fly, then run. If you cannot run, then walk. If you cannot walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, keep moving forward. My strong background in electrical construction led me to be in a mechanical area. Here, I initially was working for a mechanical contractor as a helper, and then advanced for 4 years as a technician. After 4 years, I decided to open my company. And I'm running my company for about 14 years. Each day we get stronger and wiser, and we are bringing new talents. Knowing that having a strong management and ownership team is the key to success. I recently brought in 2 experienced partners in the mechanical industry. They had enough respect to invest the time in the company. My new partners, Mike Carnes and Chuck Biller, they're here today. We would like to let everybody know the Global HVAC is the new company to reckon with. We have a social bonding, financial support, together with the talents technician to be competitive. But I also want to thank a person that I met 5 years ago. She's been giving to me a tremendous support to the company and as a personal level. This person, Karen Bart from Barber Group. Karen, thank you. Finally, I want to be honored to be part of the MWMCA because they assist my business to grow and open new doors and meeting so interesting people. God bless all. God bless America. And thank you for supporting Global.